Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, this is just a quick tutorial on this platform FF. Alright, so I just want to enlighten you guys concerning this platform FF. Now, as you can see, I've upgraded to level 2. Remember when we started, where is financial recording? With the financial recording, which expenditure, let me come all. As you can see, I start this FF 2025 April 3rd. So the platform is nice and the platform is very nice. Make I use space. The platform is very nice. So as you can see, it was yesterday, May 24th. I upgraded to level 2. This one is for level 1. This one is for level 1. This other one is for level 2. So as you can see, after 1 month or so of starting this platform, I've upgraded to level 2. So as you can see, I started with 18,000 naira and I've made total profit of 185,603 naira so far. So my total money where I don't withdraw now 89,000 naira. So I make money yesterday, which was Saturday. So instead of the money where I make, I can upgrade. So if you see, this is revenue, cash draw, principal return as 4,000. This one is some. This one are from the investment where I make from this platform. Expenditure. This expenditure now money wey you take buy membership. So one thing wey I observe yesterday from this platform, if you as I upgrade to level, where is it? Sorry, as I upgrade to level 2, they give me my money back where I take upgrade to level 1. Where is it to make I find now? Let me see, make I see. Promotional reward. This one a reward where you get where you to invite persons. You can see it's promotional reward. Not this one. So as you can see, when I upgrade to level 2, they give me bonus of 14,500 and they can return my money back, which is my 18,000 naira. You can see return the upgrade principal. You get so for those of you now where they level 2 or level 1, if you upgrade to the higher level, they will give you the money back, your money will to upgrade with it starts. So might say if you do level 1 and you go to level 2, they'll give you your level 1 money back. So now so. And second, as you can see, this platform is legit, guys. Alright. It has come to my notice that this platform, don't the pay since 2024. Since 2024, this platform don't they pay. And I can see a lot of people's renewing their account. Yesterday, so somebody renewed their account. Oh, I screenshotted that thing. Oh, okay. Maybe along the line I will show this screenshot. Alright. So this platform is good, guys. Right. The reason why I'm making this tutorial again is to enlighten you guys and to bring this to your members. You can see I have 34,000 naira on my wallet balance. So on level 2, level 2, you're going to make 1,680 a day. Now, another thing where I want to talk, you see this money we're going to make, this one is just 30% of your total money. The remaining 70%, they are not this investing and referring. All right. And also, one thing I actually like about this FF, you don't need referral to make money from this business. You get from this online platform, you don't need referral. With zero referral, you can be making your money. You get with zero referral, you go feel they make your money without you not refer at all. So the platform is very good, guys. You get so this platform be very nice. I don't know as I want to talk. So now say you're rich. And then secondly, for those of you who don't know how to fund your accounts, all right? If you register now, say you want to fund your account, this side is done. Come to where it says mine, come to recharge. Click on recharge. You can click on method 1, method 2, method 3, or method 4, any of this one. The minimum deposit is 3,000 naira, right? As you can see, just like that. So as you click on recharge, click on method 1 or method 2 or method 4. Click on any of the method. Input the amount. Let's say you want to do level 2 now. Level 2 is 50,400, right? What you need to do is just click on recharge now, all right? As you click on recharge now, an account will be given to you to pay, all right? If you want to make recharge also, restrict OPay, all right? Do not use okay. Which I try to say, you don't use OPay to make payment because OPay they flag many account. I even surprised say OPay flagged my own personal PanPay account. What I was surprised. And even a lot of people they really complain for Twitter. Say if you check on Twitter, just search on the section where OPay flagging account, you see a lot of complaints. OPay they flag many people account for I don't know why. So even this account, OPay did flag it already. Yeah, as you can see. This one is saying pending payment. I was trying to make tutorial or show somebody. So you can see my withdrawal record since when I started. On April 4th, I withdrew where 1,000 and they took 10%. This day I withdraw 5,000 to 10%, I withdraw 3,000 to 10%, I withdraw 20,000 to 10%, I withdraw 20,000 again to 10%, so I withdraw 40,000 to 10%. So as you can see, this is my something I started with 18,000 naira. I started with 18,000 naira. So I made 89k withdrawals. Plus I was having about 100 something thousand, 130,000 yen. I used the money to invest for all this stuff. Right. So if you want, it's even show you a record. If you want to invest now, for example, remember in the first video I said you should invest on Praga, right? There are different type of investment you can do, right? If you come to the high income, this one is 90 days, which is good. If you go to exclusive income, you can scroll down to see other ones. So there's 200 days, there's 120 days, it's 90 days. Come to exclusive income, you will see 7 days, 15 days, 60 days. You see, I did a lot of investment on the 60 days yesterday. Let me show you some of my investments. Right, see, I did 6,000 for 60 days. Total revenue will give you 108,000. This 6,000. I did 26,000. This 26,000 for the 7 days. This one is also for 7 days. No, it's not for 7 days. This one is for the 60 days. I did 15,000. So this 2,000, this 34,000 now is over. This one is over. This 34,000 gave me 4,000. This one is for the 7 days one. You get. So I've done a lot of investments, many. You get. So guys, you can just take the risk and start. All right. Take note. This update I'm giving out, it is not a financial um advice. All right. This is just my own way of making money online. You get. You know, say Nigeria will do so, nobody cares. You get. Nobody really cares. Nobody's really even ready to help you. You have to do it yourself. You have to take risk. If you really want to survive, you have to take risk. You have to put in the work. Get. All right. You have to be scared. It's all part of the process. All right. But I believe in the end, we will all be happy and will make profits. All right. So, and secondly, I believe that this platform will still last throughout this year. This is the 5th month. We are going to the 6th month. I've been paying since. Right? So this platform is good, guys. I don't know. I know that I want to come. If you want to, okay, for referral, if you want to refer somebody, just come to team management. Come to team management. As you can see, I've invited 4 persons. Some of these my invitees are invited 5 persons. You get this your A now the people who you invite. This B now the people who you invite will invite person. This C now people where they be or they C. You understand? So if you want to check people you have invited, come to regular staff. So see, these are the people I've invited. So someone is in level 1, this other one is level 3, level 2, level 3. As you can see. Alright. This temporary worker now for people who don't, as you can see, a lot of persons have joined, but they never register. Yet they have not joined any level. All this one has seen if zero. Okay, so this temporary worker, like I said, are people we don't register, but we never make any deposit. All right, and maybe this temporary workers. Now this recruitment, yeah, if you click on it, you can copy your registered link. As you can see, this month's income. You can see this month's income I made 132,000. So 180 naira. That's this month's income. You see, this week zero. And total and today no this week I fed a lot. I don't know why this one is on. This week I've made lots of money this week. So team management income, this one rebate money where you going to get from your team. You get people who do under you, maybe this one. So maybe that one. So and competition, I think this one, okay, stay tuned. Right. So also guys, if you also joined this platform, you'll be added to WhatsApp group where they will be holding meetings. They hold a lot of meetings, they always hold meetings. And there was other things, the social security funds, This one is where you get what's it called? I mean level two. You can get insurance, those insurance stuff. So we'll talk about this one later. This news event is where you can see people FF. This one FF member TTE and not team organized charity events on behalf of FF. So they did the charity event of light-based team and just like that. So you can check out this lucky draw or super lucky draw, super lucky routine. This one is when you invite somebody, you'll be given routine. Alright. It's not every day, but there are times where it's happening. You get so just like that. Don't worry when you join, when you join, you will understand that. Understand that. So after you register, let's say you registered you can come here if you have joined any levels, whether level one, two, or new one. Come to this place, come to identity authentication. Here you can put in your name, your gender, your nationality, and your house address. Very important. After that, this is how you can bind your account. Where is it called? Then you come to account security, put your withdrawal password, then you can bind your card here. Alright, I've done that already on my own. I've done that before, so I don't know do it again. So it's very simple, very, very simple. So that is that for this tutorial. Alright. So like I said, this is not a financial advice. This is just my own way of making money online. And also you can download the app that is here. You can download the app on your phone. Okay. So that is that for this platform. Guys, thank you guys for watching. And please, if this is your first time of watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We will bring you more updates on how you can make money online. This is not just the only platform, there are other platforms that are paying. Right? So I will bring you to you guys more and more updates on how you can make money online. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. And oh, okay, oh my god, there's something I'm missing out. Something I'm missing out. How do you make money? Like I said, how do you make this is 1,680 a day? As you can see, there's tax here. Alright, there's tax. Come to tax. Here, you can watch a video from this tax. Each of these tax you make 168 naira per tax. Now let's say, as you can see, if you click on that video, if you see filler uses bold and colorful patterns to make ordinary blah, blah, blah. This is the advertising introduction. So what you need to do is just to on this platform and then you answer the question. Alright. As you can see, after watching the video, please answer what brand in this video you get. Remember, it's filler. So when you just click on submit. Okay, Sunday is the day off for employees. So every Sunday there's no tax, but from Monday to Saturday there's tax. Right? So that's how it works. Right. So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you guys. See you on our next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you.